This is Maya Robbins from CSC 110 at 8 a.m. Chapter 6 YouTube. And I liked the YouTube that we did this week because it was bringing up like slope-intercept form, because that was one of my favorite subjects in math. Learning about was like slope-intercept form and graphing. So this code took me a while, and I also found like different blogs on what other people were doing, and I tried plugging in my own things and seeing what would work and what wouldn't work. And I got it to run. All right, thank you.